Insurance billing doesn't have to be complicated. Carepatron walks you through the entire process, from setup to getting paid. Start with your billing foundation. Create your billing profiles, connect with payers, and complete ERA enrollments all in one place with real-time status tracking. Next, your clients. Add a new policy, select the insurance type, and upload insurance cards. Instantly verify coverage and check copays and deductibles all before the appointment. After your session, claims come together fast, service details with diagnosis codes, and payer information pulled directly into the appointment. Check active coverage report and add claim after the appointment. Review and submit electronically, no paper, no faxing. Track everything from one dashboard. See which claims are accepted, processing, or paid without chasing anyone down. Insurance billing made simple. Get started at carepatron.com/insurance-billing.